need another knife. It was a trick.
Wow! A box
Watch your
inside
fingers.
a box.
There.
No, I think we're gonna have to get it out.
It's from Barcelona, Oliver.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, hands on your hips. Wiggle it. The word of the day. The word of the day is birthday.
Yeah.
Oliver, take the lid off. What does it look like?
What color is it?
Oh, what color is this?
Wow.
Did it come with a
What
music
is
book?
it?
Oh my goodness.
Wow. Awesome. It's a seat?
I think we need to put some legs on it so it can stand up.
Look!
Maybe this is the stool.
Look what's in the bottom, Oliver.
Yeah, here.
Oh, this is
Oh my goodness, Oliver. We are going to have a rock band.
Oh, yeah.
I told Kelly we're going to need to take music lessons.
And get rid of a lot of stuff that's upstairs.
Have your
We
braxton
can have the
back.
spare room. He's been calling the front room the
Yeah.
music room.
You mean Aunt Curly's room?
Yeah, I was just joking about that, but he's been calling that room the music room.
That's what I call it.
Wow, you're putting your own piano together.
You twisting, twisting, twisting. Very good. Do you want to twist this one too?
Yeah.
Good job.